So guys, today I am back with another WhatsApp tips and tricks video. So let's start. So first open Play Store and search for stylish text. So the links to this app will be in a description below. So install it and then open it. I have already installed it, so I will just open it and allow it all the permission it asks you. So there it is. I will allow it. So I am back to the app now and then open it. So now guys, I will just I will type hi and the stylish text. So guys, as you can see, the hi is now in another way. So guys, let's later and see the text. So I will say hi. The text will be, and you can hold it, then it will open the app. You can choose the type of text you want. So as I want this one, I will select this and see later. Hi. So guys, you can make a text like this and just do it like this. So you can also hold it to open it. So let's WhatsApp. You can directly write the text here and send it to WhatsApp. So I want to select this. So I will copy it and then paste it here. As you can see guys, it looks good now. I will just write another message. Hi. See guys, you can just shock your friend with this tip guys, so please use this tip. So peace out, bye guys.
Turning this on, going thing.